Okay, so today we are going over E and natural log. Just a refresher on this. Again, with E, we're going to use that snail method. We'll go around and we'll have log base E, which is also natural log. So you can have either one of these. We'll have 2 equals 4x plus 1. So 2 equals 4x plus 1. And again, if you have either of these, we'll accept that. But it is the natural log. Then we are going to subtract the 1, divide by 4, and we'll have x equals natural log of 2 minus 1 over 4. If you have log E, that is okay. For this problem, we are going back with the other method. So anytime you have an ln, there's an invisible E right there. So that will be your base. So when you do this log method or the snail method, you'll have E, we went around the 4, so it's the power of 4, equals, where we ended, of 10x plus 1. We'll subtract the 1, divide by 10, and we'll have x equals e to the 4th minus 1 over 10. If you have any questions on natural log or base E, please reach out. Otherwise, that's going to end today's video.